In this week's episode of Footings to Finish, we're talking about the rules of the new construction job site. It's always muddy here at the construction site, so you want to make sure you're wearing appropriate footwear. I've seen way too many people ruin some nice shoes. Last but not least, don't forget your architectural plans so we can price out your home for you. And if you don't have plans, no problem. We have several houses that we can build for you, and you can check them out when you come to visit us. Our key team is building 8 new homes with Peterson Developments. As you can see, this lot has already been purchased, so we're putting the molds in so they can put in the footings. The next step, of course, is for us to figure out what kind of home you want to build and then price it out for you. I'm here at lot 6, and as you can see behind me, we've poured the foundation, which is the step right before we build the frame. The foundation you see behind me is our Hunter model. The 3 plants are the Hunter, the Riley, and the Lincoln. And fun fact, they're the names of the builder's grandchildren. So today, since we had a delay in framing, I thought it was the perfect day to talk to you about setting expectations when you're building a new home. Here's all the wood that we'll be using to frame this lot starting on Monday. When you're at the beginning of the build, you really only need to come once a month or once every 6 weeks with your representative with an appointment. House wrap. Is it necessary? The answer is absolutely yes. Basically, it's going to keep your home nice and dry. Another update we have this week is we've put in the footings here to add the sunroom to the back of the house. Another change we had to the house this week is the buyers came in and they wanted a bigger foyer, a little bit more breezy, more sitting room. So what we did is we turned the walk-up attic into a pull-down. Make sure you tune in every Wednesday at 5 p.m. for the latest episode of Footings to Finish as we complete these houses here at Oakland Ridge Estates in Pelham, New Hampshire. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass. I am absolutely freezing and I gotta get in and get warm. I'll see you next week.